In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Audible mobile account to another account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign out of your current Audible account on the mobile app and sign back in with a different one without any confusion. Start by opening the Audible app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the app can update your account status right away. From the home screen, look toward the left side of the interface and tap Profile. This takes you to your account area where you can see your name, membership details, and app preferences. Inside your profile, find the Settings icon, the small gear symbol. Tap it to open the app's settings. This is where Audible keeps account controls, playback preferences, and download options. We're heading here specifically to reach the Sign Out option. Now, scroll down through the settings until you see Sign Out. It might be near the bottom, so keep scrolling if you don't see it immediately. Tap Sign Out and then confirm when the app asks if you're sure. This step disconnects your device from the current Audible account. Keep in mind, signing out does not cancel any membership. It simply removes the account from this device. Also, any downloaded audiobooks stored offline may be removed locally, but they remain in your library and can be downloaded again after you sign back in. Once you're signed out, you'll return to the welcome screen. Tap Sign In to begin using another account. This is helpful if you manage multiple memberships, are switching regions, or are moving between personal and shared family accounts. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address associated with the other Audible or Amazon account, then enter the password and tap Sign In. Be sure you're using the correct region for your Audible account. Libraries and credits are tied to the account and marketplace you subscribe to. If the app presents a brief confirmation or security prompt, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen guidance. When the sign-in completes, you'll land back on the home screen, now connected to the new account. To confirm everything worked, return to Profile and check that the displayed account information matches the one you intended to use. From here, you can re-download any titles you want on this device and adjust settings as needed. If you use features like biometric sign-in on your phone, you may need to enable them again under Settings for quicker access next time. That's it. Quick, clean, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you switch your Audible mobile account with confidence.